to fold an instant book, I recommend beginning hamburger style and using your thumbnail to get a nice even crease. And then we fold hamburger style again, or into quarters. Again, creasing with the thumb. And then you want to make sure that you fold in alignment with the book pages. We unfold to the point where there's only one crease left, so it's folded in half. And at this point you can use a scissors or simply rip from the side with the crease, not the open side. And so we'll rip to that middle crease where we can see that there's a page. From here, we open all the way, fold hot dog style, and pinching this piece into one long strip, we can see that it can open up to become something like a plus sign. And then that can flatten and can fold into a book.